How I made $50 day trading stocks in school. First, I went on a 1-hour time frame and noticed there was a breaking structure to the upside, which is basically this candle closing above the previous high. This makes me think that price wants to go up. So then I go into the 5-minute time frame and mark out previous lows, which is liquidity, which I want price to go to. Then I go into the 1-minute time frame and wait for price to go to one of the liquidities. As you guys can see, as soon as it hits liquidity, it should react off it, so create like a little line, which is called a wick. So now I just have to wait for one of the candles to close above the previous high, which is called a breaking structure. I'm going to mark out the previous high, which was this, and as you can see, it closed above it, so I place my entry, and then I list my take profits, which I listed as green, and that's the places where I want to take out money when it hits. When it hit the first green line, I closed the entire trade and I made $350. And here's some proof in case some people don't believe me. I lost $25 day trading stocks in school. The first mistake I made was day trading 30 minutes before high impact news comes out, which you can see by this red folder. News like this can mess up the market. To find out when these news dates come out and the exact time they drop, go to this website called Forex Factory. There was a breakup structure to the downside, which is basically the previous candle getting engulfed, so overtaken by the new candle. Then I went into the 5-minute time frame and started marking out previous highs, and I marked them as liquidity because I want the market to go there. Then I went into the 1-minute time frame and waited for one of the candles to go to liquidity and react of it, which creates a little line, which is called a wick. And here's where I made the second mistake of the day, which was identifying this as the low, which it wasn't, and classifying this as a break instruction when it wasn't. The actual break instruction was this low, and as you can see, it was not there yet. So then I placed my entry there. As you can see, price went up and took me out. A lot of traders on this platform only show their wins and never show their losses, and I want to be transparent with you guys when I mess up and make mistakes.